Look here question. You have to find out relationship between electric field and potential. First you have to do it for one dimensional. If there is a charge Q, electric field at any distance x, E, only magnitude. First we will have a discussion of magnitude only. E बोलो कि equal है. Yes. E as a function of Q and x. E is equal to what? E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught x square. Earlier it was R, here it is x. So E as a function of x. As x increases, E decreases. 1. Ultimately, we have to prove a formula. The relationship is electric field E is equal to differentiation of V with respect to x. If it is along x-axis, only along x-axis. This is for one dimension. But if you have to prove it, proof of this is E as a function of x is known. What about V as a function of x? Something you have covered, V as a function of x. बोलो किस तरह आएगा? V is equal to, बोलो, V as a function of x. R, earlier it was R. बोलो, एक कितना फार्मूला पूरे चैप्टर च? Q, yes, correct, 4 pi epsilon naught x. R से कहते हैं, x करता. In this case also, V is inversely proportional to x, but this is inversely proportional to x square. That is why this is relatively less sharp. This is more, this steep is more. In this case, the steep is less. Now, from the basics, work is equal to what? Work is equal to only magnitude, force into distance. If I say small work is equal to F into dx. If you divide both sides by charge, this also charge, only magnitude. Work per unit charge is what? Potential. Voltage, correct. Force per unit charge is what? E dx. So in terms of magnitude, only magnitude, this relationship is fine. But if you take into account the direction also, then E is equal to, magnitude wise it is dV by dx, but if you move in this direction, at this point E is what? Plus. What about the slope? dV by dx, slope, which is dV by dx, is it positive or negative? Negative. E at this point is positive. In order to have the sign relationship, that is why what you write is E is equal to what? Minus dV by dx. That means electric field is rate of change of a potential. Now, right part, dV by dx, negative, negative and negative, positive. So E is positive. So E is equal to minus dV by dx. If you want to take into direction, it is along x-axis. So E is equal to minus dV by dx. E is equal to minus dV by dx. E is equal to minus dV by dx. 4 minutes to write. 4 minutes. 1 full page. So you know the formula for E, you know the formula for V, but in competition, you get a value of V and you have to find out E. How you find out the value of E? If V is given, differentiate V with respect to X, you get E. So there is a relationship. One, if E is given, how you find V? If this is given, how you find V? By integration. So the two are connected. If V is given, differentiate, get E. If E is given, E into dx, integrate, what you get is V. This is for one dimension. Without proving, we can write it B part three-dimensional. That is, if V is a function of X, Y and Z, then E is equal to what? Then E is equal to minus ddx of V I. What about with respect to Y? Yes, minus dV by dy j minus dV by dz k. This is the format which you understand. Exact format is, you need not think of E is equal to minus curly x of V. It means differentiation. Higher classes, you write curly x of V. It means a partial differentiation. We will have a numerical. V, for example, depends on x, y and z. V is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, suppose. Then how do you differentiate with respect to x? When you differentiate V with respect to x, keep all other parameters constant. That is what we mean by the term partial differentiation. That is, focus only on this part. But this is the exact format, minus curly y of V j minus curly z of V k. 2 minutes to complete. For you at +1, +2 level, you can use this differentiation symbols, but in higher classes it will mean partial differentiation, curly x. And you can know ddx. This is termed as curly x of V, curly y of V and curly z of V. Okay? Refer to the numerical book, numerical number 11. Delta V, yes, yes, correct. Yes, because of medical students know routine च delta पता नहीं होता, that is why मैं use नहीं किया, term नहीं मैं use किया, otherwise notes लिखा हुआ है, notes देखोगे तो लिखा. Refer to numerical number 11, numerical S. An electric field E is equal to 20I plus 30J Newton per Coulomb exists in space. If the potential at the origin is taken to be 0, find the potential at 2, 2. E is given. Numerical number 11. E is given. 20I plus 30J. Units Newton per Coulomb. Potential at origin. Potential at O 0, 0 is taken as reference. Find potential at P. Coordinates of P is 2, 2. Draw. What do you mean by this term? E is 20. 20I plus 20J plus 30J. Origin O 0, 0. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is point P, coordinates 2, 2. यही है ना क्वेश्चन? करो ट्राई. Let this point be A. Can you give me the potential difference between O and A? Step 1. Potential difference between 2 points is equal to magnitude E into delta x. Correct? Because E was equal to what? Delta V by delta x, only magnitude. Correct? Electric field is in this direction. If electric field is in this direction, potential decreases. That is why O is at a higher potential and A will be at a lower potential. So VO minus VA is equal to electric field along x-axis. बोलो कितनी है? Electric field along x-axis is 20. Distance along x-axis, this distance is how much? 2 meters. So VO minus VA is 40. 1. Step 2. A to P. Now let us move in this direction. Potential difference VA minus VP is equal to E along Y into delta Y, only magnitude. So that means VA minus VP is equal to EY बोलो कितना है? Electric field along Y 30. Distance बोलो 2. This distance is again 2. So VA minus VP is equal to 60. Step 3. Add the 2. Why? Total potential आ जाएगा? Yes. Yes. बोलो किस तरह आएगा? Add the 2. If you add the 2, V naught VA is cancelled. V naught minus VP is equal to 40 plus 60, 100. Potential at this point V naught taken as reference given in the question. Check करो. Potential at origin is taken as 0. So this value is 0 minus Vp is equal to 100 means what? VP is equal to -100. Competition within 1 minute किवें करांगे देखो. Along this line 20, so 20 volt per meter. रेट पता लग गया, वोल्ट पर मीटर. 20 का डिफरेंस, 1 मीटर होर चलो, 20 और हो गया, तो 20 + 20 40, 40 डाउन आ गए 0, तो 40 डाउन आ गए. इतने कितनी वैल्यू आ गई -40. ऊपर चलो 1 मूव करोगे फर्दर 20 डाउन चले जाएंगे, 30 डाउन चले जाओगे, 30 20 माइनस कितना सीगा 40, -40 -30 -70, फर्दर मूव 1 मीटर -30 कितना हो गया -100. एग्रीड और नॉट. इतने चलन दे 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर है, 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर, 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर 40 रुपीज़ हो गए, 30 रुपीज़ पर मीटर 30 रुपीज़ पर मीटर 60 हो गए, ਇਹਦਾ 40 रुपीज़ आ गए, ਇਹਦੇ 60 रुपीज़ आ गए, टोटल कितना हो गया 100. कंपटीशन का करना पड़ेगा. लिख लो 2 मिनट का टाइम. Numerical number 14. Given K बोलो. Yes. Given is E is equal to, sorry, V is equal to, given is V is equal to 10x square y square minus 3z square. What you have to find out is E. At, look at a point, -1, 2, 3. What is given, what is required, refer to theory part. Potential is given. You have to find out electric field. Relationship की लिखवाया आज बोलो. E is equal to what? Yes, minus ddx of Vi minus ddy of Vj. So for solution the concept is, formula concept, whatever you may call, E is equal to, I should write curly x, but for your convenience I am writing ddx. ddx of Vi minus ddi of Vj minus ddz of Vk. The doubt is, how do you differentiate V with respect to x? When you differentiate V with respect to x, assume y and z to be constant. When you differentiate V with respect to y, second term, then assume x and z to be constant. When you differentiate V with respect to z, then take x and y as constant. 3 minutes with you to try. 3 minutes आराम नाल करो. कंपटीशन का क्वेश्चन है लेवल 3, IIT चाहे हुआ क्वेश्चन है. Minus ddx of 10x square plus 5y square minus 3z square minus, मैं ਇਹਦੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ नीचे लिख रहे हैं, this is I, then dd y of 10x square plus 5y square minus 3z square j minus ddz of 10x square plus 5y square minus 3z square k. What you get is, bolo edge bolo, only this part is functional. These two will be taken as constant. So the differentiation क्या आएगी 0. Differentiation of 5y square and 3z square कितनी आ जाएगी 0. ये जो तो करोगे तो 10x square की differentiation बोलोगी है 2x. So what you get is 10 into 2x 20x, but this sign is there, so what you get is minus 20x I. अगर अपने आप ट्राई करो, when you differentiate with respect to y, only this part is functional, this and this are constant. बोलो y square the differentiation बोलो 2y into 5, what you get is minus 10yj. What about this one? When you differentiate with respect to z, x and y are constant, differentiation of constant is 0, differentiation of constant is 0, differentiation of z square is 2z into 3, 6z k. Put value of x, y and z. What value of x? Minus 1. What value of y? 2. What value of z? 3. Yes, minus and minus plus होएगा भाई. Here, इतने check करो. It was, yes, this was minus 6z and minus comes out what? Plus. गलती कर रहे हैं, पकड़ो. Put x is equal to minus 1, minus 20 into minus 1, yes, 20i. Put y is equal to 2, 20j. Put z is equal to 3 plus, this minus and minus is plus 18k. So electric field has three components. X component is 20, y component is minus 20 and j component is, k component is plus 18. Refer to the answer. Ex is what? 20. Ey is minus 20 and Ez is 18. Now try numerical number 10. Concept with examples is over. It is just practice now. What is given, what is required? Question is, an electric field of 20 Newton per coulomb exists along the x-axis. E is given. Calculate the potential difference VB minus VA where the coordinates of A and B are. I will solve only part 1. Given, bolo ki E is equal to 20 Newton per along x-axis. Find VB minus VA where coordinate of A are, bolo 0 0, B are 4 2. Draw the diagram, mark A and B, draw the diagram, mark A and B. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ए बोलो, 0 0 ओरिजिन, बी 1 2 3 4, x is 4 and y is 2. Coordinates are 4 2. Let this point be termed as C. Step 1. VA minus VC is what? Yes, correct. Potential difference is what? E into delta x, magnitude only. What is the value of E along x-axis? 20. What is the distance along x-axis? 4. 80 volts, correct. A is at a potential 80 volt higher than C. Step 2. Find potential difference between C and B. Vc minus Vb is equal to Ey magnitude into delta y, only magnitude. Ey, yes. There is no electric field along a y-axis. Any electric field is only along x-axis. That is why Ey is 0. Delta y, no doubt it is 2, whatever this value be, that makes no difference to the answer. Vc minus Vb is equal to 0. Check करो तुमने चाहिए क्या? Yes, what you are looking for is Vb minus Va. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If you add the two, yes, if you add equation number 1 and 2, that means step 3 is add 1 and 2. What you get is, yes, bolo, Vc is cancelled. What you get is Va minus Vb is equal to 80. But what you are looking for is not Va minus Vb, but Vb minus Va is equal to minus 80. So the answer to first part is minus 80. Again, competition, 1 minute. Value 20. If you move along this, you spend 20 rupees per meter. 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 80 rupees. This is free. Lift is free. Mittal Mall. Lift is free. ऊपर जाना था free. ऊपर का मतलब ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं, ठीक है? वो भी free जाता वैसा, ठीक है? This is free. So 20 into 4 comes out to what? 80 units. So there is a potential difference between A and C. Electric field is along this line. So potential in this direction will decrease. If this is 0, this is at minus 80, this is also at minus 80. Competition का इस तरह करना होगा. Apply this for B part, second part. Apply this for second part. When A is given what? Yes? B is 6 and 5. Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Origin. Yes. A is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. A is this point. 4, 2. Where is B? 6 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and this is 5. So B is what? Coordinates 6 and 5. Procedure is find Va minus Vc. VA VC, then second VC minus VB, then add the two. Do it. 2 minutes to try. This distance is how much? Bolo? 2. A to C distance is 2. C to B distance is what? 5 minus 2, 3. EX, yes, bolo value? 20 into distance, delta x 2. So what you get is 40. EY, is there any electric field along Y? 0. Into delta Y, whatever that value is, 3 is equal to 0. Add 1 and 2. VA, VC cancelled. VA minus VB is equal to 40. VB minus VA is what? Minus 40. दोनों आंसर मिलना क्या कॉम्पिटिशन? +40 and -40.